It's Jon Cohen at Next Law here. Today we're talking about hiring an Ontario Stunt Drive law firm, and this is part one, Google reviews. Now there are three key things you need to know on how to use Google reviews when looking for a stunt driving law firm in Ontario. So first, why don't you start by taking our Ontario stunt driving penalty test at the address below. So let's talk about point one. Make Google reviews a key part of your stunt drive keyword research. So Google reviews are important for obvious reasons. Not only are they important for you to get a sense of the stunt driving law firm you may be hiring, but they're also important for stunt driving law firms themselves. Legal services, especially stunt driving cases, are competitive. Every law firm knows that Google reviews play a really important part in how a client decides on who to retain. So you should retain a law firm that has a lot of Google reviews. And generally, lots of Google reviews show that that law firm is very aware of the competitive nature of legal services and how they are working very hard to get your business. These law firms will also work hard to get the best result for you, and great results for your case will filter back into future positive Google reviews. And these positive Google reviews will drive more business for that law firm. Point two. Look for stunt driving law firms with at least 30 to 40 or more Google reviews. Generally, the more reviews a stunt driving law firm has, the better it is because you're looking for patterns. And you can only see patterns when you have a large number of reviews. Generally, that number threshold establishes a pattern in the range of 30 to 40 reviews or more. When you hit that 30 to 40 number threshold, you can likely see a pattern about that law firm and how that law firm has performed on other stunt driving cases. 3. It's okay if the law firm does not have a perfect 5-star record. You may see a stunt driving law firm with lots of reviews, but they don't have a perfect 5-star rating record. Maybe they have 4.9 or 4.8 average rating. In these situations, do not ignore that stunt driving law firm. That stunt driving law firm may be fantastic, and you don't want to discount that law firm for the wrong reasons. What you should do is read those lower star reviews. To do this, sort the reviews by lowest rating and then read them. And in some cases, these reviews may be a 1-star rating with no comments. If that's the case, generally, I would ignore those reviews that they may be fake. Or if there's a low rating with a detailed comment, take notes about that poor review and ask the law firm when you interview them. That'll help clarify the situation. And while the law firm will not be able to disclose confidential information about that specific client who posted that bad review, they may be able to give you some context as to what happened. And that explanation may give you the comfort you need to make your decision on who to retain.